Want to make your home feel cozier and your routines run smoother? These clever Amazon home gadgets are all about comfort, convenience, and making everyday life a little easier. From smart helpers to relaxing upgrades, each one brings a touch of ease to your space. All the products are linked in the description below. Doing laundry on the go just got way easier. This mini washing machine is small enough to pack, but powerful enough to deep clean your delicates. With 2 quick wash modes, it handles underwear, socks, or baby clothes in minutes. The gentle scrubbing action and blue light sterilization keep everything fresh and hygienic. Rechargeable, waterproof, and travel-friendly, it's your portable laundry solution anywhere you go. Your favorite sneakers deserve the spotlight literally. This levitating shoe display uses magnetic power to make your shoes float mid-air, spinning silently like a work of art. Built-in LED lights highlight every detail, turning your kicks into a glowing centerpiece. Made from clear acrylic, it fits right in with any modern setup. Perfect for collectors, stores, or anyone who loves showing off their style in a futuristic way. Tired of digging through piles of shoes just to find a matching pair? This rotating shoe tower keeps everything neat, visible, and easy to reach. It spins 360 degrees, so you can grab what you need with a quick turn. 7 sturdy tiers hold shoes, bags, or accessories all in one sleek, vertical design. Space-saving, modern, and surprisingly fun to use, it turns storage into stylish convenience. Turn your living room into a personal relaxation zone with this electric recliner chair. It gently rocks, rotates 270 degrees, and reclines smoothly from 95 to 160 degrees with a whisper-quiet motor. 8 vibrating massage points, soothing heat, and adjustable intensity melt away stress from your back, legs, and waist. Built-in LED lighting adds a movie theater vibe, perfect for gaming or late-night lounging. With dual cup holders, hidden storage, and USB Type-C charging ports, everything you need for comfort is right within reach. Ever think about what's really on your toothbrush? This smart UV sanitizer takes care of that for you. With one touch, it uses UV light to eliminate germs and bacteria in just a few minutes, keeping your brush fresh and your mouth healthier. It charges once and lasts for weeks, no messy cords needed. Wall-mounted and space-saving, it keeps your bathroom organized while keeping your family safe. If your coffee always goes cold before you finish it, this little gadget changes everything. It heats up fast, keeps your drink perfectly warm, and lets you choose your ideal temperature with 4 precise settings. The built-in timer and auto shutoff mean you can sip worry-free while working or reading. Sleek, smart, and simple, it's the upgrade every desk setup deserves. Who says your coffee table has to be boring? This modern LED table brings color, storage, and style into one sleek design. You can switch between 16 colors and 4 lighting modes to match your mood, whether it's a chill movie night or a lively hangout. 4 smooth drawers and an open shelf keep everything organized and out of sight. Sturdy, glossy, and easy to clean, it's the centerpiece your living room deserves. If you've ever wanted cleaner air without the constant filter hassle, this Purifier has you covered. It automatically monitors air quality, adjusts on its own, and even connects to Wi-Fi so you can control it from your phone or smart assistant. The washable pre-filter keeps things simple, while its quiet sleep mode makes it perfect for bedrooms. Breathe easier, sleep better, and let it handle the hard work for you. Ironing doesn't have to be a chore when you've got this digital steam press on your side. It heats up fast, smooths out stubborn wrinkles in seconds, and adjusts to different fabric types with the touch of a button. The powerful steam burst feature gives your clothes that crisp, fresh from the cleaner finish. perfect for keeping your outfits polished without spending hours behind an iron. Now this is a charger that actually looks good sitting on your desk. Designed like a miniature car model, it's not just a 3-in-1 wireless station, it's a statement piece. You can power up your phone, watch, and earbuds all at once, while the rotating MagSafe stand and ambient light make it feel futuristic. Perfect for anyone who loves clean setups and cool tech that doubles as decor. Ever wish your curtains could open themselves in the morning? This smart curtain opener makes it happen with just a tap or voice command. It installs easily, no tools or drilling needed, and glides your curtains open silently while you relax. You can control it through the app, remote, or even smart assistants, making it the perfect upgrade for a hands-free, wake up with sunlight kind of morning. Imagine waking up to a soft sunrise glow instead of a blaring alarm. This smart clock helps you wind down at night with calming sounds and gentle light, then eases you awake naturally in the morning. It's designed for a screen-free, peaceful routine that quiets your mind before bed. With customizable light and audio settings, it turns your room into a sleep sanctuary. Rest better, rise easier, and start every day calm. Cold mornings don't stand a chance against this powerful little heater. It warms up in seconds, spreading cozy air evenly across the room. You can fine-tune the temperature with digital precision or switch between modes using the remote without leaving your seat. Built-in tip-over and overheat protection keep things safe, while the quiet motor lets you sleep soundly. Compact, smart, and seriously toasty, its warmth made effortless. Your home just got a whole lot smarter. This premium smart thermostat learns your routines, keeps every room perfectly balanced, and even saves you money on energy bills. A built-in air quality monitor alerts you when the air needs a refresh, while the smart sensor adjusts the temperature where you actually are. You can talk to it using your voice, whether it's Alexa, Siri, or Google. It's sleek, intuitive, and quietly takes care of comfort for you. Small but mighty, this clever under-counter bin makes cleanup effortless. You can hang it inside a cabinet to hide it away or outside for quick access while you cook. The dual lid design lets you flip it open or slide it forward, perfect for messy meal prep or quick trash tosses. No tools needed, just hang or stick it in place. Compact, tidy, and ready to keep your space spotless. Nights just got a little cozier. This modern plug-in nightlight knows exactly when to shine, turning on at dusk and off at dawn all by itself. You can adjust the brightness anywhere from a faint glow to full illumination, perfect for any room in your home. The warm, soft light is gentle on your eyes and comforting for kids afraid of the dark. Simple, stylish, and energy smart. It's the light that thinks for you. If your air feels dry or your plants look a little sad, this smart humidifier quietly brings life back into your space. It runs for days without refilling, adjusts automatically, and even connects to voice control for hands-free use. Whether you're sleeping, working, or caring for plants, it keeps everything feeling calm, fresh, and perfectly balanced. When your muscles are screaming for relief, this massage gun steps in like a pro. With powerful percussion and up to 10 interchangeable heads, it targets every sore spot from your back to your calves. The quiet motor keeps things relaxing, while the LED screen lets you control speed with a tap. Cordless, portable, and long-lasting. It's your go-to tool for recovery and total body comfort. Ever get tired of leaning over your book or tablet for hours? This clear acrylic book stand keeps everything at the perfect height and angle so you can read, cook, or study hands-free. It rotates a full 360 degrees, adjusts easily, and even has elastic clips to keep pages open. Simple, sleek, and functional, definitely a workspace upgrade you didn't know you needed. A cozy glow, a modern touch, and a handy charger. This bedside lamp does it all. With 3 light modes, you can set the perfect tone for reading, relaxing, or winding down for the night. The pull chain makes switching colors simple, and built-in USB ports plus an AC outlet keep your devices powered while you rest. Sleek, compact, and stylish, perfect for any bedroom setup. Work or play like royalty in this futuristic computer throne. Designed for total immersion, it supports up to 3 monitors, or even 5 for a panoramic view that pulls you right in. With motorized adjustments, you can recline into a zero-gravity position at the touch of a button. The seat includes built-in vibration massage for next-level comfort. It's not just a workstation, it's your personal command center. This isn't just a bed, it's your new relaxation headquarters. Designed with built-in massage, Bluetooth speakers, and USB charging ports, it turns your downtime into a full-on experience. The reclining chaise gives you a soothing massage after a long day, while hidden drawers keep everything neatly stored away. Soft leather upholstery and sturdy wooden slats combine comfort with strength. Some secrets deserve extra protection. This smart fingerprint lock keeps your drawers, cabinets, and wardrobes secure with just a touch. It unlocks in half a second, no keys, apps, or codes needed. You can store up to 20 fingerprints, perfect for shared access at home or the office. It even auto-locks after a short delay, giving you peace of mind that everything stays safely tucked away. Who knew washing your hands could be this fun? This penguin-shaped faucet adds a playful touch to any bathroom, while doubling as a smart LED feature that changes color with the water temperature, no batteries needed. The pull-out sprayer gives you 4 modes, from a gentle mist to a refreshing waterfall. It swivels 360 degrees, so you can rinse anywhere with ease. Stylish, clever, and seriously cool to use. Long day? Let this shiatsu massager work its magic. 8 deep kneading nodes melt away tension in your neck, shoulders, back, or feet, while soothing heat improves blood flow and comfort. You can adjust the pressure just by pulling on the arm strap, simple and effective. Use it at home, in the office, or even in your car. It's like having your own personal massage therapist on demand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.